Over the years, I've had the joy of watching Kendall and Colby's relationship begin and grow. From the start, Colby has pursued and cherished Kendall even when he seemed to be stuck in the friend zone forever. I vividly remember the day that Kendall finally told Colby that she wanted to be more than just friends in Hodge's library. We were all so excited.
As I stand here today, I can't help but reflect on the journey that has led Kendall and Colby to this special moment. From the first date to the unforgettable adventures that they've shared, it's clear that their love is built on a foundation of laughter, trust, and companionship.
I love the way that Colby makes her laugh and always shows up for her. It has always been very evident that the two of them are better for the kingdom together than apart. I can't wait to see how they continue to grow together as a couple.
Colby, when we first met in the kitchen of the BYX house, both times, I had no idea the impact you would have on my life or that I had just met my forever best friend. God really proved that His timing is perfect as we first built a friendship centered around Christ before beginning our relationship. You are kind and funny, handsome and honest, caring and supportive and encouraging. You are all the things I have prayed my whole life to have in a husband one day, and I am so excited to do life with you. I love you so much.
Friends and family, we have come together in the presence of God to witness the marriage of Colby and Kendall, to pray for God's blessing on them, to share in their joy, and celebrate their love. I have known you all for a very long time, but I've also had the privilege of knowing your relationship from the beginning. Colby, you knew pretty quickly that she was something pretty special. In fact, I think you told me that you were drawn to her compassion, her desire to succeed, and her beautiful smile. So much so that I think you guys had lots of library dates. In which Kendall, of course, is saying, we're just friends. And I'm like, well, all I hear you talking about is his kindness, his compassion, his loyalty, his encouraging spirit. Are you sure you're just friends? And she said, I can't date Colby, because if I date Colby, I will marry Colby. And here we are, many, many months later. I honestly thought Kendall was gonna be the one crying.
Kendall could not have asked for a better person to call my wife. You're loving, kind, endearing, thoughtful, hardworking, compassionate, and beautiful. We cannot wait to spend the rest of our lives together and continuously grow closer to you each and every day.
Colby, in kindness, humility, and humor, you're gonna lead your family really, really well. Your love for Jesus and others is a light in the dark places of the world. Kendall, you fight for what you believe to be good and right, but you do it in a way that shows your tender heart for your friends and for your family. Together, you're gonna be able to tackle all the joys and sorrows that your life will take. God fit you together with your gifts so that you will be part of His will to put things back together in this world and back together in your own lives. Kendall, I give you this ring.
Kendall, I give you this ring.
As a symbol of my love.
As a symbol of my love.
And with all that I am.
And with all that I am.
And all that I have.
And all that I have.
I honor you.
I honor you.
In the name of the Father.
In the name of the Father.
And of the Son.
And of the Son.
And of the Holy Spirit.
And of the Holy Spirit.
Now, the best part ever. By the authority committed to me as a minister of the Church of Jesus Christ, I declare that Colby and Kendall are now husband and wife, whom God has joined together, let no man separate. Colby, you may kiss your bride. It is a deep honor and privilege to introduce to you for the very first time, Mr. and Mrs. Colby and Kendall Griffin.
are the other Pete of my pod, and I love how much of a fighter you are and how you are just so full of emotion. Growing up, every Friday night, our mom would make homemade pizza, and we would have a dance party, just the girls. And it was one of my favorite childhood memories. And when I got married, Kendall gave me a pizza stone so that I could continue the tradition as I started my new family. So I have one for you guys today. My hope for you is that you continue to carry on old traditions and then start new ones together. And one day when we grow up and have families of our own, I hope we spend Fridays together making homemade pizza and having dance parties.